My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle has done just over 47,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include media, radio, smartphone integration and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as 3 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.